Here we are on the street and we are looking at a little dog. Show the little dog over there. And Charlie likes to bark at little dogs. So watch. Good boy. I didn't even have to say come, but what I practiced a lot is when we see little dogs on the street, let me see if we can catch him as he leaves. It's right there. The little dog's right there. See, Charlie knows that that little dog means come back to me, or big dog. They're gone now. And get rewarded. Spot the distraction, come back to me, get rewarded. I didn't even have to say come. I didn't have a chance to say come. Before I did, he just started paying attention to me and I rewarded him and said good. So that's the outcome of all the practicing we've done with meeting dogs on the street on leash. Oh, bud.